You recognize that nowadays it's critical to stay healthy and support your immune system, and you have recently heard about ESS60. You might have heard just enough information to want to explore the product C60 Evo for yourself. You may also be interested in how this molecule and ultimately our product might help protect your immune system. Before I get into those details, I'm going to talk a little bit about the original discovery of the molecule that some have described as a miracle molecule, and talk about the concrete research that supports that our product does help protect your immune system. My name is Burres, and I'm one of the owners of C60 Evo, and I've been manufacturing and selling the raw ingredient for more than 28 years. The story is a rather fascinating story that ultimately led to the Nobel Prize being awarded. In 1985, at Rice University here in Houston, Texas, three scientists, Dr. Smalley, Dr. Kroto, and Dr. Curl, discovered the third form of carbon, carbon-60. The scientific community realized this was an extremely significant discovery, and within 11 years had awarded those three professors, the Nobel Prize. It was believed that this molecule would be used in things as important as medicines and plastics and detergents, and ultimately would become a ubiquitous material used throughout modern society. So now let's talk about the study which had such a fantastic result that is hard to believe. Let me tell you a little about that pinnacle study, and then I will share with you how to stay safe if you wish to try this molecule. In 2012, scientists at the University of Paris started a toxicity study. Yes, a toxicity study. You see, the scientists believed that the material would actually be toxic. Well, it turns out that instead of being toxic, this peer-reviewed, published research ended up being the longest longevity experiment on mammals known to man. Not only was the raw ingredient, really the C60 Evo formula, not toxic, it actually caused the rats to live almost twice as long as the control group. And potentially even more astounding, in addition to living almost twice as long, all of the rats given the C60 Evo formula all died without tumors. This is unlike the control group, who all died with tumors. Now, it is important to understand the distinction with this study as it relates to the raw material. Carbon-60 is for industrial applications, and there is peer-reviewed published research that shows carbon-60, when improperly processed, is harmful. ESS60 is carbon-60 that has been processed for safer human consumption and is the material used in the original study. So if you decide to try this amazing molecule, make sure you stay safe by looking for high-purity ESS60. Now let's talk about the 4 ways the C60 Evo formula supports your immune system. Number 1, C60 Evo has known antibacterial properties. Just know, when your body is fighting bacteria, your immune system is compromised. Number 2, C60 Evo is part of an anti-inflammatory diet easily included in the Mediterranean diet. Anti-inflammatory diets are known to show protective benefits, and the Mediterranean diet is associated with a group of people who have reduced incidences of Alzheimer's and who live longer than the average human. Number 3, C60 Evo is an antioxidant. There is at least one study that shows that ESS60 to be an antioxidant 172 times more powerful than vitamin C. And finally, number 4 is sleep. Our customers report that they take the product in the morning, they have mental focus and energy during the day, and then they report better sleep. With better sleep, you improve your mental, physical, and emotional well-being. All of these are key factors in a healthy immune system. So if you are interested in trying our product, let me give you one suggestion. Select the subscription option. We offer a 20% savings for subscriptions, and you can cancel at any time. Make sure to take advantage of that subscription discount. It is important to note that the FDA has not evaluated our products. They're not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, prevent any disease.